lads at work were like, oh, did they tow you? Or was it flatbed? I said, oh no, they towed us on a bar. And the lad says, thank you, he says, because they're some fucking weird. So the plan for today is to try and get the door off. This door's fucked, so this one's going. That one not too bad, so that one's staying. One has to go up, one has to go down. How the fuck is that work? Must try harder. There's me trying to fucking undo bars when you can just undo screws.
Yeah.
If he loses this one, his pride's going to be hurt. Do I need to try and catch that then?
No, yeah, come down on the guy.
He ain't going to come down and break his
No.
fingers like this. He just wants to see me break the fucking window, that's all he wants. Oh, hell, he's whooping me. He's only got to get the fucking handle out. Game on, mate, game on. How the fuck did that come out?
I would help you.
I know, yeah, I know. I don't want to be beaten by the fucking amateur. Oh, I've just realised there's fucking loads more screws here.
So that guide all the way out. When you get the wrap it down, get the rubbers up.
Yeah. Oh, the window's moving.
Is it?
Yeah, so it's way down. It's quicker doing it this way than it is using the electric switch. Oh, glasses eyes. That doesn't come out through this hole.
Yep.
Does it? Hey, that's not possible, lad. This is just embarrassing. I thought I could cheat and pull it out the top because this door's fucked anyway, but it still ain't happening, lad. Nah, it definitely ain't going to happen. He's shitting all over me now, isn't he? This just honestly, how the fuck? It's all the way to here. But all the way to there. I tried opening it, fucking closing it. It doesn't come out this way, lad, does it? It fucking doesn't, does it? You're winding me up, isn't it? Oh, movement! Yes! Oh, you finished?
Yeah.
Oh, you fucking destroyed me. Did your side have one of these?
No, it didn't.
He's working on the Stezza. Work that one out.
This is desert.
Valentine's Day today, spend it with the one you love. Oh, that's the joystick, that is.
Yeah.
Pleasure. The pleasure of owning a Mark IV, isn't it? You get to have the fucking annoying joystick that you always try and get in the middle. And when it's not in the middle, you know your passenger's been fucking about with it. I was a full-time job with it, managing all the shit you take.
Didn't break. Where'd that clip go?
Like the wind the clock back, doesn't it? The speeder's actually melted away.
Yeah, so.
Thing. Something got old, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. The fucking bolt. We're circling now like vultures. We've had a good bash at it. It's time to get all the shit out, get it all swept out, tighten it up a bit so we can see what we're dealing with now. Now I just need the dash to come out, and then everything else with the engine, gearbox, and anything else that ain't bolted on underneath. Fuel tank's going to have to come off in it, all the fuel lines, brake lines.
What's the date? Oh, 14th, obviously, man.
Yeah,
So end of the month.
yeah. And then we'll be on to the RS 2000 then. When she comes back, we're looking forward to seeing her come back and be able to see the work the welder does.
Just got a new roof and running.
WD-40. Bit of a spring clean. Still struggling to get this out, so we're going to leave this to soak. So you can WD-40 all the screws. Got half of them, mate. Rather than strip them all, I thought I'd give it half a chance. Another productive one, Roger. I have to put the back wheels back on so we can roll it round once it's just a shell. Someone did mention in the comments whether you could take the boot off without fully opening it. So Roger's pointed out that these are studded on this side and the nuts from are on the inside. So as well as taking the gas struts off, you can definitely take the boot off without having it fully open.